Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by removing the worn cushion. Do it now without hesitation. First, power the headphones off and lay them face down on a clean cloth. Next, use your thumb to pry the cushion edge away at a single point. Once the lip releases, rotate your hand and peel the rest evenly to avoid tearing. As you pull, make sure to collect the thin plastic retaining ring and any adhesive strip. These parts matter for reattachment. Once removed, inspect the ring for cracks before moving on. Now fit the new cushion. Align it with the ear cup and match the plastic retaining ring into the channel. Start by seating one edge firmly, then work in 30-degree segments. Press a section, then rotate. This keeps tension even and prevents bunching. If adhesive is provided, peel backing a little at a time and press. If not, rely on the ring's lip to snap into the groove. Once the entire circumference is seated, run your fingers around the seam to confirm a continuous seal. Finish by checking fit and sound. Put headphones on for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm comfort and seal. You should feel consistent clamping pressure and bass response. If sound seems muffled or hollow, remove the cushion and reseat the ring. Sometimes a small gap disrupts airflow. If the problem persists, compare the new cushion to the other side or inspect the internal foam for collapse. Lastly, if a tear or misfit remains, replace the cushion again or seek a matching OEM pad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.